Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast and I'm going to paint on this lovely 12-inch hexagon stretch canvas that also is gesso triple primed already. So usually when you buy canvases here in Australia, they're already pre-treated, that you don't have to put a base coat on them or anything as such. So this is a triple prime gessoed. Okay, it is a bit wibbly wobbly, but for the kind of style I'm going to do, it's going to be fine. So I'm needing to coat this up here because I'm going to use this to blow out some paint. So as you know, if you're blowing out paint, you do need to have a coat to blow onto. So I'm going to coat this bit, get rid of, I've already seen this paint was pre-mixed, so it's starting to go, and I thought I'd better use it, but I really hope that I don't ruin, which is a lovely canvas. And these kind of shaped canvases are always that little bit more expensive to buy. But I love these hexagon canvas, and I've done a few of these pieces before. I think it's one of my most watched videos on a hexagon canvas, but that my brother and his wife have, and then also my granddaughter has one. So they all seem to like them on a little side wall. I'm not worrying with my edges too much yet, because as I will be blowing the paint, so I will make sure you can always finish your edges after anyway. But I have got a few lumpy bits in this, so it kind of becomes mixed media now, but I'm not worrying. You know, you can't sweat the small stuff. First of all, I'm going to do it in a style that I've done for quite often. It's my flower garden, because I always find these do sell well, and they also are lovely gifts for my family, friends. They always like these. So this is just a metallic gold I'm putting in here, because I do want to blow, before I start putting on loads of the other colours, I do want to blow some of this up the top first. Now this was the red, I think it's called warm red, and I mixed it with 50% metallic gold, so it's gonna have some really nice metallic-y bits in it, you know what I mean. And then I'm going to give this just these three colours, which this is my Berry Delicious. I didn't make it too dark, so it's made out of dark red, phthalo blue, and a little blob of black if you want it to go a real dark cherry looking. So I'm going to start this off there, because I'm going to just gently, she said, blow it. Use my, got all sorts of dryers here at the minute, but I'm going to just, hopefully, I suppose it would help if you actually plugged power in, do it slowly. Maybe I blow some of this paint up and over first. Doesn't matter, like I said, if I haven't got all the edges at this point in time, because I have enough paint here to coat my edges afterwards. Right, I'm going to kind of oh, look at those colours. Wow, beautiful. that's pretty. Start off with a bit of white on my base. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That's just a bit of white. And I'm gonna start putting some of these lovely colours. This is it's going to be an absolute summer burst, summer garden burst. So lots of you are heading into the summer. So that's my cool red without any added bits. And this is a fluoro pink. So when you put the fluoros in as well, they often give, you know, really nice bright and vibrant effect in the dried paint. So I'm going to use a lot of these nice rich colours, and along with some drizzle of the metallic gold, of course. All these beautiful colours in here. It's going to be super duper colourful. I have been given a request to do one of these in just the black, white and gold, or black, white and silver. Now this is the fluoro tangerine. So I'm just hoping it doesn't turn into one big mud pie. You know, in for a penny, in for a pound. It's a little bit of black. I only need a bit in there, I believe. But it's the black that'll actually give it the pop. I'm thinking that probably should be enough. I'll go my Berry Delicious. Never have enough of this. Right, yeah, I have got so many colours mixed there, but you know, I'm going to pull the pin on more colours, she said. Now I'm going to just gently tilt downwards to get these lovely colours to roll off, and I hope I don't lose too much of the top composition, because I like it as it is, but if not, I can still blow it out gently. I just tilt over the sides, just evenly, just really nice and slowly, no rush at all to do this. So slow yourself down. Slow yourself down. I'm talking to myself here, trying to give myself a pep talk. Back over again. So colours are, I have lost a bit of the effect at the top, but that's okay. I'm not going to stress over it. Bring it all back, recenter it again. I can see a blobby bit there again. Where's my little tweezers? I did mix this paint 2 days ago, but I've had it all covered up, so I'm not sure why it's gone a bit lumpy, but that's okay. Not to worry. Some of my black, Amsterdam black with Floetrol, and I do want to do a swipe downwards on these, the colourful bits. So, because you'll see what I've got covered. So this is just a piece of soft plastic that I'm going to use to swipe. Actually, I'll start from a bit further over. I know you think, oh my God, what's she doing? But those colours will come back again. They will show themselves, don't you worry. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try and see what I can do with that again to put a little bit. No, it's actually fine, but I'm just going to, I hope I don't. Nice big balloon on that. So yeah, let's do this. Let's smush it in. What you see now won't be the end result because I will be going over them until they're gorgeous. Sort of coming out real lilac-y, lovers looking. Now, what you could actually do at this point in time, which I think I might very well do, is go away and make myself a cuppa and let the paint absorb into the canvas. And it actually, your balloon kisses won't, see how they're all falling in now? But don't be sad or discouraged with that, because you can leave it alone for a while, like us. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's pretty. You can leave it alone for a while, and the paint will actually absorb into the canvas so much better, dry off a little bit, and then when you come back, oh wow, you'll find your balloon kisses will work so much better, and you can give it a roll. So it doesn't have to be a kiss, it can be a roll too, as you see there. This is definitely falling in. So what I would say to anyone that writes to me about this happening with their balloon kisses is you can make your paint a little thicker, then you do have the chance that the paint might crack because it's thick when it's drying. Or you go away and leave it for a while, like I said, to let the canvas absorb a lot of that paint. This is super gorgeous down here where the colours are really rich. So I am going to come back after a cuppa and I'm going to use the smaller balloon and re-kiss all of the areas that I've already kissed. So, well, that one's actually working quite fine now. That one I want a bit more colour on there. So sometimes you can pick up where you really like the colour, because look at that, and then put it right there. And like I said, if you feel that the colours are all falling in, you can keep re-kissing it in the same spot, but just wipe your balloon off each time, so the colours don't muddy up. Actually, this is really lovely just here, so you can use some of them colours in the areas that are, you know, that you're not too happy with. I mean, I'm happy with it all, the colours, but just particularly nice where the actual background is darker. I quite like that. Okay, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna go and have a nice cup of coffee and I'll be back. Look at that, it is stunning. I have come back. I did slightly go over a few of the balloon kisses and the roll. Look at that colour at the bottom, very much love that. So, but I didn't really do too much because they all seem to have held their shape after about 30 minutes. Just did a few in the lighter area to sort of tie it in, I guess. Quite happy with how that turned out. I have only got a little bit of negative space, but all in all, I am really quite happy with this piece. So I'm going to leave it there and either gift or sell it, I guess. So there you go. Really nice, calm, enjoyable piece to create. So I'm really loving it. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will be back again tomorrow. But please remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or if that is not a possibility, there is always a helpline in every country. So thank you for joining me again. Bye for now.